Let's turn to some new developments in a case that made national headlines: the murder of Chicago teenager Hadiya Pendleton. The man convicted of killing her won a fight for a new trial. You may recall that Pendleton was fatally shot at a park on the South Side just days after she performed at President Barack Obama's second inauguration. NBC5's Nguyen tonight is getting reaction.
The murder of Hadiya Pendleton made national headlines, and now the man charged with shooting and killing her nearly 12 years ago has been ordered a new trial.
Mr. Ward is innocent, and we expect to prove that at trial. We are looking forward to a new trial.
Stephen Richards represents the now 30-year-old Mikhail Ward. He was found guilty in 2018 and sentenced to 84 years in prison, but the appellate court overturned his conviction in 2023, and just yesterday the ruling was upheld by the state Supreme Court. The appeal dismissed. One of the justices recused himself, leaving the remaining 6 divided.
I think the biggest deal is that the appellate court did the right thing. They reversed, even though this was a high-profile case.
Pendleton's murder sparked outrage and a call to action. Ward admitted to shooting Pendleton at Harsh Park, thinking she and her friends were rival gang members in 2013. The appellate court ruled that the judge should have tossed out Ward's confession and that his rights were violated during the interrogation when he told investigators on 3 separate occasions that he didn't want to talk.
This is a case that should force everyone to re-examine how police interrogate suspects. And the violation of the rights here and the false confession, the feeding of details, all suggest that these things should be done differently.
Ward's confession was a key piece of evidence for the state's case. The Cook County State's Attorney's Office told NBC5 in a statement the office stands behind the prosecution of this case and disagrees with the appellate court's decision. It goes on to say, "We are reviewing all legal options and ultimately will be guided by securing justice for Pendleton, her friends who were hurt that day, and her family and loved ones who mourn her today." Now, the getaway driver, Kenneth Williams, was sentenced to 42 years in prison in 2021. We did reach out to Pendleton's family for a comment tonight. We did not hear back. Reporting downtown, V1 NBC5 News.
Thank you, V.